Okay, hope this works. Hello, buddy. Hello, everybody. This is Nicholas Armstrong speaking, or Nicholas Daisy Awesomeness. This is a PowerPoint presentation about climate change. I will be using research as well as paraphrasing to the best of my ability. This PowerPoint includes in-text citations and APA references. Important text will be bold and underlined just like this. Yeah, like the one I'm highlighting. First off, what is climate change? Climate change is a warming of the Earth and long-term shifts in temperatures and weather patterns. This is caused by human activity, as well as being caused by greenhouse gas emissions. An example of something that emits greenhouse gases is burning fossil fuels. Fossil fuels include, but are not limited to, coal, which includes charcoal, oil, which is the black sticky stuff that you find from the oil trucks, not the olive vegetable oil, and gasoline as well as other gases. What kind of weather does climate change cause? Climate change causes all sorts of severe weather events, according to several credible sources. So many sources, in fact, that it has become common knowledge. These severe weather events include, but are not limited to, thunderstorms, tsunamis, tornadoes, hurricanes, typhoons, tropical cyclones, floods, wildfires, and more. This picture in the background is an image of one of Rawat Rawalpindi, Pakistan, an area that was affected by the 2022 Pakistan floods. The severity of these floods were increased because of climate change. 306 people died, and 600,000 others were displaced by floods in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. 5 children were found deceased in Upper Deer District. They were returning home from school before they were swept away from the floodwaters, causing them to drown. That must have been scary for the man. So, how are some ways we can reduce the effects of climate change? Some ways we can reduce the effects of climate change, according to David Suzuki Foundation, which is last updated in 2022. We can demand action against climate change via protests, speeches, petitions, etc. We should we can paint our town with climate art, raising awareness about climate change. We should use energy very wisely. Start a climate conversation. Write a speech and present it. Sing a song or do a PowerPoint presentation. Have a conference. Whatever your heart desires to get your point across. Consume less, waste less, and enjoy life more. Green your commute. Use more eco-friendly methods of transportation. Finally, make your diet eco-friendlier. Have plant-based foods like plant-based chicken burgers and beef burgers. I mean plant-based chicken burgers and plant-based hamburgers instead of like regular beef burgers or chicken burgers. Buy organic food whenever possible. Don't waste food. Here are my references. These ones I couldn't cite directly due in APA due to the style of APA and also the language change, etc. Thanks for listening. Are there any questions? If you have any questions, please put questions in the comments down below or during the premiere. You can put or you can type any questions you have. Thank you very much. I hope you have a good day. Bye.